Thank you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is an update video of the how to dry your tomatoes at home. So enjoy and make sure that you subscribe and comment to like. That we're going to use to store our tomatoes. And of course my son is gonna be helping. Zuka diva. Teshirando. Zuka diva. Zabukuma. Delicious. But the only thing that to do is season our tomatoes. You can use all sort of spices that you want, but I prefer to use same old salt. This is the salt that I'm going to be using to season our tomatoes. They pretty much dried up. By default, they were dried up. So just putting in the salt. Any amount is fine, because obviously it's not going to be absorbed, right? Guys, make sure it's an airtight container. They look so beautiful. I don't know if you can see them, and I wish there were more than this. Look. Okay, there is our tomatoes. Look at this. Look how beautiful they look. Look. Just look.